So as soon as we come in this room, I see that there are Mardi Gras beads here in the shape of a Mickey. How cute is that? A little note here. Sweet, it's from housekeeping. So you have a table here that can sit two. Also a big, large mirror. You got two queen size beds, and also you have a Mickey here. How cute is that? And then right here you have your drawers, and I'm like, this is gonna be your mini fridge. Oh, beverage cooler only cools to 41 degrees, so just keep that in mind if you have any medicine, or if you're a nursing mother and you need to store your milk. And then you have your drawers here, and those are big and deep. Oh wow. You got three. So that's nice. Up here you have your little coffee maker here with your coffee and tea. And then you have your ice bucket, and I love these every time. I don't know if it's focusing in good enough, but they are hidden Mickeys on little Mickey heads. Also right up here on top of the dresser, you have two plug-ins and two USBs. Also on the other side you have that as well. So you have a total of four USBs and 4 plug-ins right on top of the dresser. And then of course it welcomes you in. And I'm so excited about this because they have Hey Disney. Yay! So excited. I know they started debuting them in the Polynesian resort rooms, and I didn't even realize they already have them here at Port Orleans French Quarter. So that's exciting. And I'm going to turn this light off because I'm not sure if you can see it. But even on the light up here, they have like the little Mardi Gras symbol. So fun. Just keeps on, the theming just keeps on. And then you come over here and you have a place where you can hang your bags or just store a few things. And then you have a bench here. Also, I want to mention underneath the beds have tons of storage. So you can throw your luggage underneath there once you're done unpacking. And this area is massive. Massive compared to other resorts we've been at. And this is actually, it's a curtain that separates instead of a door. A lot of times I'll see a door and that is a curtain. And then you have, of course you have your safe and your iron and ironing board, extra pillows and blankets. And then you have a double sink here, which is awesome. And then you got your mirror. Hi, Vals. And I always love these. I love the makeup mirror. Whoop. Let's go in here. And you got your toilet and your tub. It is a tub shower. Nothing too fancy, just enough to get the job done. And it does have the curtain rod there where you can hang your bathing suits up. You have the H2O products, they are locked up, but that's nice. And then you got a full length mirror. Nothing, oh, you can hang up swimsuits or towels there. And you got a full length mirror in front of the bathroom door. I will say after seeing the bathroom, I do think where the tub and toilet is a little snug considering you have all this space out here. I'd like to have more room by the toilet and less out here, but I do know a pack and play will fit right here. So if you do have smaller children that are still in a pack and play, you can close this off and a pack and play can fit right here. So that could be an option for you. Oh, and I failed to mention that on the shower curtain, there's nods to Princess Tiana. Princess and the Frog. That is super cute. But I have to say, this room feels super cozy. Super cozy. One downfall though I do see, where they have the Hey Disney now, it's taking up one of the plugs. So depends on how many devices you're trying to charge. It looks like you have 6 USBs in this room and I believe 5 plugins. Okay, so I counted them. There are 11 plugins since the Hey Disney's taken up one of them, or they would be 12. And then you have 6 USBs, and I love the USBs because you don't have to worry about having the little charger block. So I think that's a wrap. I'm super excited for this stay, and this room is just super cozy. Oh yeah, I failed to mention, there is a ceiling fan, which is a huge perk for me. But if you like this content, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. And have you ever stayed at Port Orleans French Quarter? Let us know in the comments below and let us know what you thought. And as always, love the memories you make. And I'm Jessica. See ya, pals.